Planning to build your dream home. 5 things to check before starting your house construction. Step 1. Soil test report. Know soil strength before laying the foundation. Step 2. Approvals and permissions. BBMP, MUDA, Panchayat clearances. Step 3. Budget planning. Keep 10 to 15% extra buffer for unexpected costs. Step 4. Architecture and structural design. Get drawings approved by a qualified engineer. Step 5. Right contractor. Choose a reliable builder with past project experience. Build smart. Build strong. Follow Bcube Construction.